Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free traffic from Quora. And I know what you are thinking, you watched lots of videos on YouTube showing you how to get free traffic from Quora, and they all show same thing. Just go on Quora, find questions in your niche, answer on as many questions as you can, and you will start getting free traffic. You did exactly that, and you didn't get any traffic. Well, today I'm going to show you something slightly different. I'm actually going to show you two things. Thing number one, I'm going to show you how to find questions that are getting most traffic. And thing number two, I'm going to show you how to rank your answer as a top answer and how to get free traffic from Quora for affiliate marketing, to build your mailing list, for your blog, for your website, or whatever you want. Okay, first thing that these other guys on YouTube telling you is you need to go on Quora and you need to find questions in your niche. For example, let's just say keto, and then press enter, and then you need to click here on questions, and here you can see questions related to keto, and here you can see these are top questions related to keto. But are these questions the questions that are getting most traffic? Well, quite often they are not. So how do you actually find questions on Quora that are getting most traffic? So what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on your profile image, and then click here on Ads Manager. In your case, you will need to click on Create Ads. Don't worry, it is 100% free. We will not run any Quora ads. So what you need to do after that, you need to click here on New Campaign. Don't worry, like I said, we will not start a new campaign. Here, you don't need to do anything because it doesn't really matter. Just click here on Continue. And this is really important part. You need to scroll here and you need to click here on questions. And then you need to click here bulk add. And then here you need to add your main keyword, in this case keto. And then click here on continue. And here you can see keto related questions on Quora that are getting most traffic. Here you can see, is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss? Between 350 and 550 views per week. That is about 2000 views per month. And when we go back here on Quora, here we will see that is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss is actually number 3. It is a not top question. But when we go back here, we will see this question actually is getting most of the traffic. And this first question here, what is a keto diet, is actually second. Here it is getting between 250 and 400 views per week. And here you can see Quora will give you top 20 questions by traffic, by weekly views. Here you can find questions that are getting most traffic in your niche. So what you need to do, you simply need to click on this question and it will open it in new tab. And then you need to click here on answer. And here you need to answer on that question. Now, how can you answer on this question? You can simply copy this question, Ctrl C, and go here on ChatGPT. Paste it here, press enter, and now ChatGPT will answer on this question. But this is really important, so please pay close attention. Quora doesn't like AI answers, and that is why if you simply copy this answer here and paste it on Quora, Quora will see that is AI generated answer and it will most likely ban you. So what you need to do, you need to manually rewrite this answer here from ChatGPT. You cannot use Quillbot or anything like that. You must manually rewrite this answer here. And then you need to simply go back here on Quora and you need to add that as an answer. But also this is a tip for you that is really important, that can make a huge difference. So what you need to do, you need to click here and you need to add eye-catchy images. That is really important. And you need to open your article, your answer with an eye-catchy image. Here you can see this is an eye-catchy image, but I would actually add this as an opening image before this text here. And if you add 2, 3, 4 eye-catchy images, trust me guys, that will catch people's attention, that will catch their eye, and they will read your answer, and if they find it as a useful, they will give you upvotes and you will rank as a top answer. And all you have to do after that is just click here on post, and that's it. You will post an answer on this question. But how do you actually rank your answer as a top answer on Quora? So pay attention, this is exactly what I do. I actually created one Quora account from my laptop, but also I created another one from my cell phone and another one from my old cell phone. But I also told my family and friends to create Quora accounts. But this is really important. What you cannot do is you cannot just tell them to go and give you upvotes immediately, because if Quora see that you get 20, 30, 50 upvotes in first half an hour and after that nothing, then they will see, okay, Quora will say this is most likely spam and they will ban you. Also, you cannot pay anybody to do that for you. You cannot do that exactly the same reason. Quora will say this is actually spamming and they will ban you. So what you need to do, you need to create multiply accounts. You need to tell your family and friends to create accounts, because you need upvotes from different devices, not just different IPs, but different devices. And also, this is what I do. I told all my friends to create their Quora accounts, but I tell each and specific family member and friend when to give me upvote. So I get about 30 upvotes in next 20 days, so it looks more natural. And if I provide a good answer, then other people will find it useful and they will also give me upvotes, and I will get 50, 80, 100 upvotes in first 30 days, and that answer will rank as a top answer on Quora, and I will start getting free traffic for affiliate marketing, but also for my blog, for my website, to build my mailing list. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to play it smart. You need to create multiply accounts. You need to tell your family and friends to create accounts and to give you upvotes and to spread that in next 15, 20, 30 days. And like I said, if you provide a high quality answer, then other people will also give you upvotes and you will start getting free traffic. Yes, it takes some time, it takes some work, but this is what you need to do if you wish to get free traffic from Quora. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.